Hello, it's Chris at Falcon Technology. Today we've had a Caravan in for an inverter to be installed on a coachman. So it's a 1500 watt pure sine wave inverter, and this is going to an onboard battery and converting battery power into household electricity. So now off grid we can put the kettle on, the toaster, or use the all important hairdryer. So let's go inside and take a look at the installation. So it's all installed nice and neat with a mega fuse in line, connected close to the onboard battery, and now connected to all the sockets. Our switching system is here, and the switching system allows the operator to choose where they want their electricity from, whether they want it from the grid supply or they want it from their off-grid inverter. This inverter is a 1500 watt pure sine wave inverter, which has a peak surge up to 3000. It's a perfect size inverter for those travel appliances that we enjoy at home, such as a kettle, a toaster, or a microwave, or a hairdryer. One at a time. The surge value, as mentioned, is 3000. So from a cold start on a kettle at 1000 watt, you may see a surge from a cold start to say 2000, but this is designed to absorb that, but continually deliver 1500 watt. Then we have a remote switch, which has been installed for easy operation. So when then the seat is in full position and the cushions are in, anytime we wish to use the inverter, we open up, switch it on, and now our sockets have power. So we are now currently off grid with this Caravan, and we are now just going to test with our all important hairdryer and plugging in like so. In the middle of nowhere, we have power to the people. Okay, so if you're interested in having an inverter fitted, drop us an email, give us a call. As an integrated system, this now allows you to enjoy electricity when off grid. Thanks for watching. Bye now.